Welcome back to my channel, guys.
So right now we just got our Halloween outfits, and right now we're gonna vlog. And we just wanted to show you guys my outfits.
We couldn't find a Vampirina outfit, a costume for her.
I was super sad.
Yeah, so we're gonna DIY it, and so we got all these pieces from the thrift store and from Dollar Tree, and we're just gonna make it. So she wants to be Vampirina. I'll put a little picture of who that is if you don't know who that is up on the screen. So we're gonna show you guys what we got. Super inexpensive, and I think it's gonna look really pretty. So we got a purple shirt that's supposed to be like the arms of Vampirina because she's kind of like a purplish bluish color, with a pink shirt under. She wears a black dress, pink socks, black boots, which Giselle has, and we also got those little pants that Giselle is wearing. She was just trying them on, so it can kind of match with the shirt, so her skin can look like bluish purple. Vampirina wears blue gloves, but it doesn't have the fingers, so we're just gonna cut those off. And then I got some pink fuzzy socks from the Dollar Tree. And we're gonna make her hair / bat wings. So I just got a black headband, and I'm gonna DIY the bat wing hair. So I'll show you guys that later on. And I also found this like concealer that kind of looks like purplish bluish. And this is the outfit. Look at that. That looks like Vampirina, right? I love it. You like it? I said smile. That stick out your tongue. Silly. So I'm going to make some Vampirina wings here, and I'm just gonna wing it.
Welcome back to another video. I just see first because it's quicker.
So this is the little Vampirina wing that I just freehanded. Did this big one, but then now I did the smaller one because I was looking at like this one's a little bit too
Big.
This one's a little bit too big for her head. Oh, this makeup brush is painting this so good.
Yes, in this. So don't touch it else you're gonna get it all dirty. If it gets on your hands, it's not gonna come off.
We are so creative.
Yeah, and we actually know how to put paint on.
Yeah. We actually, I hope I can get it to stay on your head though.
So we're gonna do my makeup for my cheeks, my hair, and we're gonna do lipstick. And look at that.
So we're about to get Giselle. We're gonna transform her into Vampirina.
I love purple because it's my favorite color, and we have to do that.
So show them which one you're gonna pick. Which one, you can only wear one lipstick, so which one do you want to wear? Love this concealer. I'm so happy I found it because it looks so good and it blends so easy because it's actual makeup and it's not face paint, like, so it looks so much better.
Yeah, but
And it feels comfortable, right? Your face doesn't feel weird? Does it feel weird? Like hard? Like you can't move your face? Or it feels good? Feels like makeup?
me my face.
Probably just feels like how foundation feels.
Yeah, now let's do my lips.
Okay, now lipstick. This is NYX Macaroon lipstick in the color Violet.
You know, just say.
Now you look like a real vampire. Cutie, cutie, cutie. This is Juvia's Place, the Violets.
Oh, you said violet like the Incredibles.
Yeah. Close your eyes. Turn towards the camera so they can see what we're doing. Close your eyes.
Because now I'm starting to look like her. He's like, oh my gosh, Vampirina, what did you do to say? Right, Mom? Oh my gosh!
So I'm gonna get a black eyeshadow. This is from my Jaclyn Hill, Volume 2 by Morphe. And I'm gonna take a black eyeshadow and put it in her hair right here. because Vampirina has really black hair. So we're just gonna kind of disguise this part a little. I'm gonna put black right here in the crack.
Like the cracks.
So we can disguise the crack because you can't see a crack on her.
See, the Vampirina has black in her cracks.
She has black in her cracks.
Right here. Right?
Yeah. Vampirina's hairline, because Vampirina's hairline is like super round. I don't have a reference picture right now, but I kind of know what her head looks like. Dang, I'm making a mess on my palette with this black eyeshadow. Dang.
I'm not starting to look like myself.
You don't look like yourself anymore?
You all done yet?
Almost, baby, almost. Hold on. Sit down here.
You can't do like a baby.
Do not move or I'll mess you up. Look. She has a little triangle right there. So now let me fill this in. So we're going to do little eyebrows.
Can I
Like
close my eyes or
Vampirina.
not?
You can close your eyes. Relax your face. Don't move, okay?
Adrian, can I buy myself a controller?
Move.
Who are you?
This is Vampirina.
Wait, whoa.
Don't move, don't move. I'm just putting a little bit of black eyeshadow, like right on the bottom along the black line that I just did. To make it a little bit thicker. Okay, just a little bit of mascara. And you're done. Show them. Vampirina! Now we have to figure out how to get those little things on your head. Okay?
I need glue
Okay, so here's
But
the
not
little,
real.
these are the little wings that I made.
for my hair.
They're already dry. And I have some of these little wood sticks that I found. These are from like photo props. And I also have like wire, I got scissors, I have tape, and I don't know how we're gonna get these to stick on her head, but we're gonna figure it out. Look at your head. Look at your head. That's gonna be so cool. Can you figure out how to get it on here? I was thinking
Wait,
of,
Mom, when I look in the mirror,
you know what? I have an idea. I have an idea. I'm gonna put a whole bunch of rubber bands on your hair, make it look kind of like a bubble braid, like a jasmine bubble braid. And we're gonna stick the wooden dowel in there to make your hair stand up. And then we'll stick it onto the bat wing. I think that's gonna work.
Yep. We can see what we're doing. We have rubber bands, like crunchies.
Scrunchies.
Scrunchies.
Oh.
What are we going to use these for?
Okay, so then I can stick it on here. Let me see how long it is. So maybe I can go like this. Let's see. So since her hair is longer than the wing, I think I'm going to go like this and then attach it to make it shorter. Stick the dowel in here. You see, my trick worked! So now it's sticking up. Show them in the camera. And now we can stick this onto it. The reason why I made a little thing like that was so that I can wrap it around her ponytail. So I'm like wrapping it around her ponytail. And now I'm going to tape it. Now I have to cut the dowel down a little.
Why did I choose that? This.
You're glad you chose to be Vampirina? And are you happy that we're making your costume instead of buying one? Okay, so I'm going to cut down the wooden dowel. Hopefully I don't... Okay, that wasn't too hard. I'm just going to tape the dowel right there. Maybe I can find a pink ribbon or something and tie it right here. And that'll help give it a little bit more support to hold it up more. Off camera, I just put a little big old scrunchie that I have. And that kind of helped to make it more sturdy and to bring it up more. Hold on.
You're the best, my mother.
Oh, thank you, baby. Wow, you love when you do your little costume? You're happy? I'm glad.
Wait, Mom, we have to buy milk.
I'm glad you're happy.
Maybe I want to Halloween. Let's go to the store where you get Halloween costumes. And Once Upon a Child. I think they have red. They have red or not?
Red? For what?
Sally.
Oh, you want to be Sally next year? Does she wear red?
Yeah.
Let me go see if I can find the big, huge liga so then this one can stand up more like how this one is. Okay, I'm so happy, guys. I found the big, huge scrunchie. So it's like one of these humongous scrunchies. And I also found pink ribbon that I've been having from the Dollar Tree from the baby shower section. And I'm going to wrap it here because Vampirina has like pink things around her wings. Grab the base of the hair and stretch this thing over the bat wings. What's wrong?
It's gonna hurt me.
No, it's not.
Ah, baby shower.
No, it's not. Okay, and then you see how big and stretchy these are?
Nope.
Perfect. This is what the back of the hair looks like. So you guys can get an idea of how I got it to stay up. Looks a little messy, but it's okay.
That's okay.
And if you want, you can use the black dowels or like paint the dowels black if you don't want that part to show, but that's okay. We're running out of time here. It's almost time for trick-or-treating, so gotta hurry.
I am Vampirina.
She's the ghoulish girl in the whole wide world. This is my Vampirina daughter. Wow. Cutie. With her homemade wings, her face paint, and her thrift store outfit. Josie, you haven't showed them your cool costume. Drift from Fortnite. Do the dance. Do the dance. You got candy? Yay, next house. Jello got cold. Maybe he
has like 1,000 friends in
yeah, he gave you candy?
You want another one?
Trick or treat! Say bye, subscribe to my channel.
I subscribe to your channel.
Give us a thumbs up.
Give us a thumbs up.
Happy Halloween!